How in the world does someone spend $50 million and go broke? Welcome to the Rule Your Money Show. I am your host, Dakota Grady. Welcome to the show today, y'all. All right. So how does somebody earn $50 million and spend all of it and go broke? Well, that's what happened to Al Pacino. Al Pacino, y'all probably heard of him. He's an actor. He was an actor in the Godfather the movie. And all right, so the dude went broke. Like how? Like how do you spend that much money? Well, he did. So according to an article, it said basically he wrote a book, I think a memoir, I believe. And they said, quote, he said, "I didn't understand how money worked." Close quote, Al Pacino. So he apparently made $50 million in his career, and he didn't understand how money works. That's not surprising because according to Career Builder, 78% of Americans struggle financially. So he was in that pool of people right there, right? So it's not how much money you earn, it's how well you manage what you earn, what's important. That's what's important. And people may make a big income, that is, Al Pacino, and the money goes right through their fingers because they don't know how to manage finances. In fact, even in the black community, we don't really know how to manage our finances too. Well, either, I should say, not two, but either. And we actually didn't score well on, I think it's a personal finance index. So he's a minority, I think he's Italian, I believe. So he's, again, that pool of minorities. We really don't know how to manage our finances. So if you're making a lot of money, whether you're a movie star, an actor, actress, an athlete, right? You may have a low income growing background from low income, and no one taught you how to manage money, right? So when you get this windfall of money, what do? You splurge and go broke, right? There are people who win the lottery, same concept. They're playing the lottery because they're trying to win, get a quick win, not really quick, but they're trying to put out the hopes into winning the lottery, and when they win the lottery, they don't have the skills to keep the money, right? They get this large windfall of money, and it goes right back out the door. They have a plan for the money. That's why you need to do a money plan every month, right? That's when you learn. Point one is, in order to not go broke, whether you're making $50 million or $50,000, make sure you do a monthly money plan or budget. That is how you not struggle. That's how you not live paycheck to paycheck, because you are focused on your income. You're managing what you earn and what you're spending. Apparently, Pacino, he wasn't taught how to manage finances, even as I think he was like 70 years old in the 70s when he lost that money. But the whole point is, even being that season of his life, he wasn't prepared to handle money, which leads to my second point. So he said, I had $50 million, then I had nothing, right? It's a lot of money, y'all. So how do you lose that kind of money? The article was saying that Pacino said his accountant mismanaged his funds to the point of leaving him broke. If you want to save some money on your business with some tax strategies, go to my website at dakotagrady.com, click on the tax solutions page, and get the free resource to help you with tax strategies for your business. My second point to you all is never, ever, ever, I'll say it again, never, ever, ever delegate managing your finances to someone else. It's not their money, it's your money. So you need to manage your finances. It's not their finances, they're your finances. I hear that people may have, it may be a football player in the NFL or NBA, right? may have somebody manage their finances for them. Wrong move. Get some guidance for somebody who can help you manage your finances, but don't give that person the responsibility to manage your finances, because Pacino was saying he was paying for about 15 people phone bills, right, out of his money. He paid, I think one guy, he said he paid I think it was the lawn care guy, like $400,000. I'm like, that's crazy. Lawn care? That's a lot of money for, I'm like, dude. But he wasn't involved in the process. He made the money, which is good, but he didn't keep his eye on the ball. So my point is, get education, learn about how to manage your finances, and work with someone who is maybe smarter than you and can teach you how to manage your finances. But it's your responsibility, it's your job to manage your money. Don't delegate it to an accountant, a CPA, your financial advisor. Nobody but you need to manage your finances. Again, you get education, you get mentorship, but it's your money. Don't let somebody watch your money. In fact, I have a client of mine, actually, she did the same thing, where she put all her trust in someone. It was a CPA, I believe, because she had a business, and the person took advantage of her and was stealing money from her because she wasn't involved in the process. I tell my clients, ask questions. I'm asking questions of them because I'm inquiring of their business, because I'm doing bookkeeping for my clients. But I want them to be involved. And I educate my clients on different things because I want them to know, and I want them to trust me, but not to the point where they just all hands off. I'm not going to do anything that is illegal against them, like steal from them, but the whole point is I recommend that they and you are involved with your money, whether it's personal finances or business finances. It doesn't matter. Be involved, get educated, learn how money works, learn about financial literacy, take a class. In fact, I got one coming up for you at the beginning of the year. I'm not gonna give you the details right now, but I got one coming up at the beginning of the year that can help you to learn to rule your finances. That is the name of the show, that's right. Rule your finances, right? Rule your money show. So I wanna encourage you, learn how money works, right? And don't delegate your money to anyone else but you. And if you're married, you and your spouse work together. That's right, I said that you and your spouse work together on your finances. So if you like this episode of the Rule Your Money Show, I want to encourage you all to watch the next episode, next video, or maybe go back and watch previous ones if you're new to the show. Thank you for joining us. And please share, like, and comment, because I want to hear from you. Let me know what you want to hear more about. Because this podcast, this show is about personal finances. That's right, y'all, money and business. Mainly accounting and taxes and other things, but my expertise is bookkeeping and taxes. So again, thank y'all for joining us for this episode of the Rule Your Money Show.